The first is lavender essential oil. Lavender is easily the mother of all essential oils, and you can use it for all hair types, all hair ailments. You can use it on babies, kids, adults. It is a very safe oil, and it is very soothing, very calming, and it helps in all kinds of hair ailments. How to use: you can mix a few drops of lavender oil in a carrier oil like coconut or sesame or argan or almond, and apply this, massage this on your scalp, leave it on overnight and wash off the next day. You can also add a few drops of lavender oil to your shampoo and shampoo with it. The second essential oil which is good for hair is peppermint hair oil. It promotes hair growth, and it is very good for people who are looking to grow their hair, who have hair loss issue. The same way you can use peppermint essential oil as well. You can add it to your shampoo, or you can add it to a carrier oil and apply it on your scalp. The third is rosemary essential oil. It improves the hair thickness as well as aids in hair growth. So you can again add it to your carrier oil of choice, or add it to your shampoo, or give it a final rinse with a few drops of rosemary oil in water, and just rinse your hair with it. And all these methods are very good in promoting hair. Fourth is tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil is extremely good in fighting fungus and bacteria. It is very good to combat dandruff in your hair, and you can apply it along with oil. You can apply it along with your shampoo, or do a final rinse with tea tree oil in a mug of water, 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil, and use it as a final rinse. The last is cedarwood essential oil. It helps in reducing hair loss, and especially those who are suffering with problems like alopecia areata. So add cedarwood essential oil to carrier oil of choice and apply it on your scalp. Leave it on overnight, wash off the next day, add it to your shampoo, use it as a final rinse. So either of these three methods, and you can use all these 5 essential oils. You can use them one at a time and see what works best for you, and then continue with that essential oil.